National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for western Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, north central Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Burke County in western North Carolina, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 13 miles southeast of Morganton, or 4 miles northeast of Casser, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mountain View around 7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hickory, St. Stephen's, and Conover around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous thunderstorm include Cooksville, Probst, Pleasant Grove, and Startown. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page, or post it to X using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred.